Hi, my name is Rebecca Miranda. I'm from Snellville, Georgia, and I'm a dual major in audio engineering and marketing and entrepreneurship. What initially drew me to LaGrange College is it offered two things that I really valued, and that was a strong community and being able to study music, which is something I've been really passionate about for a long time. When I first moved to college, I got to obviously be here in the studio for the first time, and I remember Professor played a previous student's project in the speakers, and I said that's the moment that I knew that I wanted to study music. I say a lot of my marketing knowledge is coming from experience. I've been able to work with our Panther Talk podcast, and that's been a really exciting experience. I've gotten to work on social media marketing for the podcast, using what I am learning from my classes to be effective in those areas. I would say to any music student, just do it and take a chance. I think a big part of that is putting yourself in the position to be able to experience those things, and a big part of that is saying yes.